Sawubona mngani, welcome back to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom. I am Mama Thando. Mama Thando. And what's your name? Oh, it's nice to meet you. Well, we are going to learn isiZulu today, together this morning. Now, I would like you to put on your listening ears. Yeah? Great. And now we are ready to get learning. Let's sing our hello song together. Hello in isiZulu is sawubona. Sawubona. Let's sing together. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani. Sondela hlala phansi, sifunde mngani. That song just says, hello, hello. How are you, friend? Come close, sit down, and let's learn, friend. Yeah, now, I would like to know how you are today. Unjani. Unjani. How are you? In isiZulu, repeat after me. Unjani. We have so many different feelings. So I think it is better to sing our feelings song so that we can better decide what we are feeling like today. Imizwa yethu. Imizwa yethu. Mina nginemizwa, wena unemizwa, yena unemizwa, bona banemizwa, sonke sinemizwa. Mina nginjani, ngabe ngiyaphila, ngabe ngidumele, ngabe ngikhathele, ngabe nginjani. Mina ngiyaphila, ngabe wena unjani, ngabe uyaphila, ngabe uyagula, ngabe ujabule. Wena uyaphila, yena unjani. Ngabe udangele, ngabe ukhathele, ngabe unene. Yena uyaphila, bona banjani. Ngabe bayaphila, ngabe bayakhala, ngabe bathokozile. Bona bayaphila, thina sinjani. Ngabe siyaphila, ngabe sineme, ngabe sijabule. Thina sijabule. Thina sijabule. Oh, mngani, that was great. How are you? Unjani? Uyaphila? You're fine. That's great. I am fine too. Ngiyaphila. Ngiyaphila. Great, mngani. Now, I would like us to get on with our lesson. I need my komba. Huh? Komba kanti. Yebo. Komba. Komba, we need to work. We need to teach the kids. They are here. Our friends are here. I found Komba. He was outside playing. I'm glad you're here now. I need your help. So, we'll start with the days of the week. Izinsuku zesonto. Izinsuku zesonto. Repeat after me. Izinsuku zesonto. Izinsuku zesonto. That's days of the week in isiZulu. And I would like you to remember this word. Izinsuku is simply days. Now here are the days of the week. from Sunday to Saturday. Isonto to umgqibelo. I am going to read them all out to you, and I'm going to ask you to repeat each one after me. Here we go. Isonto. Isonto. Umsombuluko. Umsombuluko. Your turn. Ulwesibili. Ulwesibili. Your turn. Ulwesithathu. Good job. Ulwesine. Ulwesihlanu. Umgqibelo. Great job, Ngani. I would like us to sing the Days of the Week song together. Remember, you can clap your hands, snap your fingers, stomp your feet, wiggle all around, whatever feels natural to you. Let's get started. Isonto umsombuluko, lwesibili ulwesithathu, lwesine ulwesihlanu, kube umgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. One more time. Isonto umsombuluko, lwesibili ulwesithathu, lwesine ulwesihlanu, kube umgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. Great, Mngani. That was awesome. So now that we know the days of the week, what day is it today? Ulwesingaki namhlanje. Ulwesingaki namhlanje. Yesterday was ulwesithathu. That means the day after yesterday is today. Here. This is today. Ulwesine. Ulwesine. It's Thursday today. Ulwesine. Ulwesine. Ulwesine namhlanje. Ulwesine. Ulwesine. Ulwesine namhlanje. Yebo! Now that's on the wall. Namhlanje ulwesine. Don't forget that u, so that we say is. Today is Thursday. Namhlanje ulwesine. Please repeat after me. Namhlanje ulwesine. Great, Mngani. Wenze kahle. The weather is the next thing that's on our board. Linjani izulu namhlanje? Linjani izulu namhlanje? What's the weather like today? Linjani, linjani izulu namhlanje? Liyabanda, liyashisa, linjani namhlanje? What's the weather like today? Will you check what the weather is like today where you live? Don't worry, I'll wait for you. Da-da-da-dee, da-da-dum. Da-da-da-dee, da-da-dum. Da-da-da-dee, da-da-dum. Usubuyile. Oh, what's the weather like? Linjani izulu? Oh, interesting. I would like to also check what the weather is like here at Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom today. Linjani izulu namhlanje? Come with me to our imaginary window. Oh, that's hot. Hot, hot, hot. But it's so nice because we have trees that we can sit under and get shade while we play. So let's say today the weather is hot in isiZulu. And put the right picture for a sunny, hot day. And here we are. Namhlanje izulu liyashisa. Namhlanje izulu liyashisa. Today the weather is hot. Now I would like you to repeat that after me. Namhlanje izulu liyashisa. Namhlanje izulu liyashisa. And now that we know what the weather is like, I would like us to please help our friend Andile to get dressed correctly for today's weather before he goes out to play. And if you haven't met him, lo Andile, this is Andile. Andile, Andile, that's his name. Now, Andile, what would you like to wear today? Oh, he says his clothes are laid out on the bed already. All we have to do is just help him put them on. That's easy. Oh, look. He's picked out a t-shirt for himself. A t-shirt in isiZulu is isikipa. 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 Let's help him put it on. Please help me tell him to put on this t-shirt by saying gqoka isikipa Andile. Gqoka isikipa Andile. Great job. Ngiyabonga, thank you. And he has picked out a cute pair of shorts for himself. Here it is. Isikindi. Isikindi. Shorts. These are really nice orange shorts. Isikindi is orange. He's also put out shoes for him to wear. But these shoes are sneakers. In isiZulu, we say amateki. 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 Help me tell him to put them on. Gqoka amateki Andile. Gqoka amateki Andile. The last thing for Andile to put on is a cap, because it's hot outside. A cap in isiZulu is ikepisi. Ikepisi. Let's tell him to put on a cap. Gqoka ikepisi Andile. Gqoka ikepisi Andile. Look at Andile. He's looking snazzy. Umuhle Andile. But have fun while you play with your friends. Hamba kahle. Ngiyabonga. Thank you, friend, for helping me dress Andile to go and play. Now, let's move on to the next part of our isiZulu classroom board. The next part is the color of the week. Umbala is the word color in isiZulu. And bomvu is the color for this week. Bomvu, that's red. Yes, you are right. The red color. Now, to say the color red or the red color in isiZulu, we say it like this. umbala obomvu, umbala obomvu, umbala obomvu, the red color or the color red. Now, we've seen a number of things that are red this week. We've seen a red t-shirt, isikipha esibomvu. We've seen a red cap, ikepisi elibomvu. We've seen red sneakers, amateki abomvu. We've also seen a red balloon, ibhalunde elibomvu. We've also seen a red ball, ibhola elibomvu. I would like to look for something else that is red. And what do we have on today? We have a red car, imoto, imoto, imoto ebomvu, a red car. Oops. And what else do we have today? A red pen, ipeni elibomvu, ipeni elibomvu, a red pen. That's the color red. And now the next part of our isiZulu classroom board is the sound of the week. Note that we are not saying the letter of the week. We are saying the sound of the week. And the sound of the week is a, which is A in English. We've seen a number of words with that sound, a, sandwiched around other letters, so looking a little different but still sounding the same, a. Now let's recall or remember those words. It was sawubona, hello, there's a, and there's another a, sawubona. There was vula, vu, la, open. There was amanzi, amanzi, water. There was ikhanda, the head, ikhanda. And there was umama, umama, mother. And then we also learned abantu, that's people. We also learned itata, that's a duck. Today's word is danza, because I love dancing. Okay, that's not time for dancing right now. Okay. Danza, that's to dance. And another word for today, ithanga, ithanga, that's a pumpkin. Great job, Ngani. You've learned so many words. I hope you remember to use them. Every time you see amanzi, you say amanzi, that's water. Every time you think of your head, then you think, ikhanda. And every time you look at mommy or you think about mommy, you say, mama. You see, and you can practice using the new words that you have learned. Now, let us move on to the last part of our isiZulu classroom board. My favorite part. I love numbers, I love maths. So let's go. I am going to tell you all the numbers and then I'll ask you to repeat them after me. Iqanda, kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha, isikhombisa, isishiyagalombili, isishiyagalolunye. Izinombolo ngesiZulu, izinombolo ngesiZulu, izinombolo ngesiZulu. Bala kanye nami. Iqanda, iqanda. Kunye, kunye. Kubili, kubili. Kuthathu, kuthathu. Kune, kune. Kuhlanu, kuhlanu. Isithupha, isithupha. Isikhombisa, isikhombisa. Isishiyagalombili, isishiyagalombili. Isishiyagalolunye, isishiyagalolunye. Izinombolo ngesiZulu, izinombolo ngesiZulu, izinombolo ngesiZulu. Great job, Mngani. You did great. Halala to you. Now, we've come to the end of our lesson this morning. And I will see you tomorrow. But before we leave, wait a minute. Let's dance together. Sukuma, shayizandla, shona phansi, phezulu, celeni, jikeleza, jikeleza, celeni, gijima, zilule, shayizandla, thuma kabili, celeni, shona phansi, phezulu, shayizandla, zilule, jikeleza, jikeleza, shayizandla, celeni, jikiza, jikiza, celeni, shona phansi, phezulu, shayizandla, thuma kabili, celeni, shona phansi, phezulu, celeni, zilule, zilule, phefumula, phefumula, hlala phansi. That was so much fun, Mngani. That was amazing. Thank you. Ngiyabonga for coming to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. Hamba kahle, Mngani.